Hello and welcome to the Best of Las Vegas 2019-2020 by me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 12 million minutes viewed on YouTube. We're now the number one reviewer in Las Vegas and the UK. We have travelled the strip up and down looking for the best shows, the best restaurants, the best places to stay, the best things to do, and we've put together our Best of Las Vegas. It used to be a top 10 list. That's just not possible. There's too much to review. So in 10 minutes, we're going to try and go through as quick as we can what you need to do during your couple of days in Sin City. There are choices to be made, so much to see, and you've got to make the right choices. So let's begin. 50 shows, 20 casinos, 30 restaurants in 2019, and we have got the best of the best. We begin, of course, with the best show, the must-see show for 2019, and that is Mind Freak by Chris Angel at Planet Hollywood. In our view, there is no show on this scale. He has more lights than every Cirque du Soleil show put together. He has screens 360 around the theatre, and his energy is infectious. Go and see this show. It's a beautiful spectacular, starring the one and only Chris Angel. Next, we turn our attention to Best Rock Show, Best Concert Energy. We were amazed by this one. Raiding the Rock Vault at the Hard Rock, which is to become the Virgin Hotel, is really fantastic. If you like rock music, it doesn't get any better than this. They basically spend 90 minutes playing the soundtrack of our lives, the best rock songs and anthems of our generation. Just look at the room, packed, full of energy. From the first note, everybody was behind it. All of the stars of the show are rock stars from various groups. Incredible talent, and they knock it out the park. Fantastic. Raiding the Rock Vault at Hard Rock Casino. Next we move on. Best Restaurant 2019 is a restaurant called Joe's at Caesar's Shops in Las Vegas. There is free valet parking there as well, by the way, and you'll have a lovely time. The food is exquisite. Fresh fish flown in daily. They have stone crab at certain times of the year, which is incredible. The lamb chops are fantastic. You cannot go wrong with Joe's Seafood at Caesar's Shops. Next to Caesar's Palace, if you're going to Colosseum, you will love this restaurant. Next, best unique experience is to fly over the strip. We did this for the first time this year with Maverick Helicopters. My God, what a thrill. You get there just next to the airport. They have their own little terminal where you go in. It's ever so quick. They treat you like royalty. You get to fly over these world famous casinos and you get the best view in Las Vegas. It is stunning, it's exciting, and it's brilliant. Don't miss Maverick Helicopters with a flight over the Las Vegas Boulevard. Fabulous couple of hours of your life that you will never forget. Okay, next, the best production strip show in 2019. We're going to do these in categories. This one is Magic Mike Live. So we're talking about a production as in comedy, lighting, sound, atmosphere. This is a production. Magic Mike Live has incredibly hot guys, all different shapes and sizes for all different types of girls and guys. But this is a production show. It's beautifully crafted and you can't go wrong. Girls, if you go, look, you'll get a lap dance. You'll also get incredible dancers. These guys are professionals, more so than any other show I've seen in Las Vegas. These are fundamentally dancers before strippers. It's a hoot. Magic Mike Live at Hard Rock Casino, Las Vegas. Food is such a big part of Las Vegas, and the best restaurant view and breakfast, lunch, dining experience is Mon Ami Gabi. Look at this. You wake up, you go for breakfast, and you look out over the Bellagio with the dancing fountains. Trust me, it's sensational. You can't go wrong with breakfast and lunch. Dinner's fabulous too. Great value for money. I just love Mon Ami Gabi at Paris Hotel and Casino. Fresh fish, steak, you can't go wrong. Breakfast was divine. Next up, best headliner 2019 has to be Ra Mandalay at Westgate, Las Vegas. He is a star, a legend, and a pro. You can hear our exclusive life story interview with him. We'll put it on at the end of this piece. He's a legend, and you can see him in concert. He doesn't do that many dates, so look when he's appearing. 3 or 6 nights a month at Westgate, Las Vegas. The epitome of a Las Vegas star. Next up, we have the greatest showman. This is Frederic de Silva at Bally's. This guy is sensational. What a star, what a talent. He reads your mind and just wows the audience. He's so talented. Frederic de Silva, Paranormal. You have to see him to be believed. It's incredible. Remarkable show. Right, let's move on to tribute shows, and of course this is a big thing in Las Vegas. The Motown Revue, Hitsville, the show at the V Theatre, at the Miracle Mile, at Planet Hollywood was just brilliant. There's just a few guys in this show. It's a very small, intimate showroom, but the voices of these live performers are quite remarkable. You're going to love this show. If you love Motown, you're going to enjoy hearing the songs of Gladys and Stevie, and of course the Four Tops too. Don't miss Hitsville at the V Theatre at Miracle Mile Shops, Planet Hollywood, Las Vegas. Right, next, the hottest show R18 for couples. Okay, for couples, go with your partner. You're going to have a fabulous time at Zumanity at New York, New York. It's naughty, it's sexy. Some of the most incredible spesh acts on earth. The aerialists are incredible. A guy called Brandon will blow your mind with his routine called Chains. It really is sensational. What a talent, what a pro. He's quite brilliant. Don't miss the fantastic Zumanity at New York, New York by Cirque du Soleil. Right, we continue to rip along with the best burger bistro and bar off the strip at Link, Las Vegas. I just love this place. Burgers, steaks, lamb chops. I just think the consistency of this place is phenomenal. Best chocolate cake in Las Vegas too. Okay, let's move along to sexiest show. Often these strip shows aren't actually sexy. The most sexy of all these shows is Crazy Girls. The guys will love this. I think it's fantastic, starring Danny, who hosts the show. It's a very intimate showroom at Planet Hollywood next to the Chris Angel Theatre. It's sexy, seductive, and fabulous. Don't miss Crazy Girls at Planet Hollywood. The backbone of Las Vegas is variety, and the V Ultimate Variety Show at the V Theatre at the Miracle Mile is our favourite. We just love it. Spesh acts non-stop. Wally Eastwood hosts the show. He's quite brilliant. There's also other people from around the world who just will blow your mind with their nonsense and craziness. The Crazy Gauchos, the Skating Erratas, who are just incredible. Mind-blowingly brilliant. You'll love the V Show at the Miracle Mile shops. Right, let's move on to Best Fish and Chips in Las Vegas, Best Irish Pub and Guinness too. Ra Mandalay Bay is one of my favourite places. I go there just for lunch every single day. I love it. Fish and chips are fabulous. You can't go wrong, and the rest of the menu is wonderful too. Ventriloquism is an art that is really seen these days and done brilliantly, but Terry Fator at Mirage is celebrating 10 years in Las Vegas, and he's fabulous. Just a brilliant act. Don't miss him at Mirage, Terry Fator. Then we move on to magic. Magic is one of those things that is done brilliantly and not so much. However, at 4 o'clock, the best value magician, in my opinion, is Nathan Burton. Nathan performs at the Miracle Mile shops at Planet Hollywood. It's been a good year for them, hasn't it? And I'm not even paid to say it. Nathan Burton is so charming, the most normal of any magician, I think, in Las Vegas. And for $20, trust me, you're not going to get a bigger or better magic show than this. It's quite brilliant. Nathan Burton Magic, comedy magic too, for all the family at Planet Hollywood. People always say to me, where would you stay in Las Vegas? Well, the most unique casino in 2019 is still Venetian and Palazzo. It's beautiful, it's gorgeous. They'll never be able to rebuild anything like this in 2019. The rooms are fabulous. It is the biggest hotel in the world. The Venetian Palazzo has 7,000 rooms. It's gorgeous, it's beautiful, it's huge. It's right centre strip. You can't go wrong with Venetian and Palazzo as a place to stay. Back to food. Brunch has become a huge thing in Las Vegas. It seems to be one of the big money spinners, and they're trying all different kinds of concepts. Let's start with our favourite family brunch, which is at the House of Blues. It's Gospel Brunch. The atmosphere is so electric, and it's beautiful, and it's inspiring. It's wonderful. Every Sunday, the House of Blues Gospel Brunch. Meanwhile, if you want outrage, go to Esther Goldberg's Totally Outrageous Brunch with the brilliant John, who does Trump. He's hysterical, special acts. It's a big cast, and it's wonderful. It's called the Totally Outrageous Brunch at SLS in Las Vegas. Who knew? We hear they're coming up in the world in 2019-2020. Got some new shows going. Magic Mike could even move there next year, so we shall see. Right, let's move on to the best strip show for women. Okay, Thunder from Down Under at Excalibur is naughty. These boys are very naughty, and they love to waggle their things in your faces and all this stuff. It is the most comedic of all these shows. It's the show that takes itself the least seriously and has the most fun with its audience. I have to say, the screaming was so loud. They offer a package of fun and other things too. As you can see, the guys are fit and seem to be having the times of their lives, as are the audience. Congratulations to the team of Thunder from Down Under. Now, people always say to me, what is the best resort to stay at in Las Vegas? Well, for me, it has to be Tahiti Village. This is right next to the airport. As you can see, the strip is in the background. It's a 15-minute drive or Uber ride, but there's a free bus that will get you there. Now, why do I love to stay at Tahiti Village? I've just been here for a month. Well, it's because you get the kitchen, you get the huge bath, you get the washing machine, you get the dishwasher, so you can live a normal life. I know it sounds very old-fashioned, but this is my life. I want home comforts, and that's what you get with Tahiti Village. It really is the biggest room you're going to get in Las Vegas for the price. It's got a beautiful lazy river and huge pool, and you'll have fun at Tahiti Village. There's a Denny's next door as well, and a bus that will take you to the strip. People love Italian food, it never gets old, but the best Italian in our view is Buddy V's at Venetian. It's a fabulous restaurant. They do a Sunday brunch, which is my personal favourite, but during the week they have a fabulous menu too. We had the antipasti and the beautiful mozzarella, fantastic, and of course the chicken parm was delicious. Don't miss Buddy V's for Italian food at Venetian Hotel and Casino. Then you want to laugh when you come to Vegas. The man to do it is Carrot Top at the wonderful Luxor. And best place to go if you want to commit suicide, by the way. Jump out the window and slide to the bottom. I thank you. Before we go, 2 comedy magic shows for you to tell you about. Four Queens is our best show downtown this year. Mike Hammer is an extraordinary talent, huge personality, and he deserves this award. Best downtown show by a mile at 7 o'clock at the Four Queens. And if you're back mid-strip, you might want to stop at Tropicana, go to the Laugh Factory to see Murray Sawchuk at 4 p.m. He has another show that's great for all the family. This year, for the first time, we're awarding Vegas Gold Award. This is a Vegas legend, and it has to go to Wayne Newton at Caesars Palace. The guy has been performing for over 50 years. He shared girlfriends with Elvis Presley. He knew Frank Sinatra. He knew them all, and he is a legend. He performs up close and personal nightly at Caesars Palace Barge. It's an intimate show in the presence of a legend. You can't fail to be impressed by his incredible stories, and you'll just love being in the presence of old Vegas. He's a legend, a star, and he wins our Gold Award for 2019. Well, that's about the size of it then. The best of Vegas 2019. We used to do a top 10 list. It's impossible. There's something for everyone there. If you want, for example, a civilized brunch, go to the House of Blues for the gospel brunch. If you want outrageous, go to SLS. If you want a naughty strip show for women, go to Thunder from Down Under. If you want a production show which is clever and brilliant dancing and lighting and scenery, go to Magic Mike Live. There's something for everyone in Las Vegas, and I hope this video helped explain what we think for 2019-2020. It's been our honor to be invited to more than 50 shows, casinos, restaurants for reviews, and we're honored to spend a month here in Sin City bringing you the best of Vegas, and we'll be back next year, and we look forward to hearing your response. Please click and share and tell us what you think of this review, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts in the comments section below. You've been listening to another video by me, Alex Belfield, here at celebrityradio.biz, where last year we had over 12 million minutes viewed on YouTube. We're the #1 reviewer for theatre in Las Vegas and the UK, and we invite you to watch our interview with Ra Mandalay, our headliner of the year, and all of our interviews and reviews at www.celebrityradio.biz. Ta-da.